Looking for the ultimate adventure SUV? Meet the 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades, purpose-built to conquer the wild. With the factory-installed snorkel, the Everglades is ready for deep water fording, handling depths up to 36.4 inches. Paired with raised air intake and fender flares, you're prepared for the toughest elements. You'll ride on 17-inch carbonized gray-painted aluminum wheels, wrapped in 35-inch Goodyear mud-terrain tires, delivering maximum traction and control on all terrains. The Everglades package also includes heavy-duty skid plates, providing essential protection for the underbody as you tackle rocky and uneven terrain. And with the Ford Performance heavy-duty modular front bumper and worn winch with a 10,000-pound capacity, no trail is too challenging, and no obstacle is too big to overcome. Inside, you'll find marine-grade vinyl seating and washable rubberized flooring, so cleaning up after a muddy adventure is a breeze. Plus, the Sync 4 infotainment system and 360-degree camera give you total control, whether on or off the beaten path. The 2024 Ford Bronco Everglades, built to explore, designed to endure. Ready for your next adventure? Click the link below to get started today at Waldorf Ford.